Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. Those who have missed the national level mock test, here we have provided the link for attending the national level mock test with this video in the description box. Those who missed the first national level mock test can attend the mock test by registering through the link so that you can able to judge your level before taking your upcoming Feb Mat examination. The second national level mock test we have planned from Feb 1st to Feb 10th, 2023. Those who are interested can enroll for the second state level, national level mock test with the link provided in the description box. See, if you attend this mock test, definitely you'll get practice to the MAT examination pattern and you can test your patience while attending this national level mock test. As you all know, the timings for MAT exam is nearly up to 2.5 hours. It's very hard to sit in a place and attempt a test. So if you practice and if you attempt these two national level mock tests conducted by Firebird Institute of Research and Management, definitely you will get idea how to approach the upcoming Feb Mat examination. All the best students. Don't forget to register for the second national level mock test as well. And in this video, we are going to discuss a tough data interpretation question which was asked in the December Mat question paper. So already we have solved all the 40 questions in mathematical skills and we have uploaded those videos. Let me provide you the link for those videos in the description box. After watching this video completely, you can refer to that videos also so that you will get some knowledge about how to approach your upcoming Feb Mat examination as well as your May Mat examination. And one more thing I just want to say, the question level is difficult when compared to September Mat examination, and the data interpretation part involves more calculative part. So you have to be strong with your basic speed max. Unless you're strong with your basic speed max, it is very tough to crack data interpretation part and score more marks in data interpretation parts. Or as well as in mathematical skills also, more than 30 plus questions involves skill-based mathematics. So you should practice speed max definitely to crack your upcoming Feb Mat examination. The standard of questions are increasing. That is the thing. Now let me discuss an important question. Study the following line graph and table about the enrollment of PGDM students in various disciplines to answer the question that follows. Here, the line graph denotes the enrollment of PGDM students and the total number of PGDM students enrolled is 1200. And this box denotes discipline-wise breakup of boys. Okay, now see here. See, if you take a paper and note down, take a paper and pen and note down. In HR, 5% of the total students are in HR. In family business, 12% of the students were enrolled in family business, and in finance, 15%, and in IT sector, 20%, and in marketing, 23%, and in OM, that is operational management, 25% of the total students. Okay, what is 5% of 1200? It is very simple. Okay, what is 50%? 100%, if 100% is 1200, what is 50%? Half of 1200, 600. And 5%, it is nothing but 60. So 60 students out of 1200 students, 60 students are enrolled in HR. And in marketing, 12%. See, 10% is 120 and 1% is 12, 2% is 24. 120 plus 24, 144 is your answer. In finance, 15%. If you calculate, you'll get 180. And in IT, 20%. I know that 10% is 120. 20% is nothing but 10% into 2. 120 into 2, you'll get 24, 240. And see here, 25%. Let us come back to 23%. So 25%. That is, you have to divide 1200 by 4 to get 25%. These are the shortcuts, you should keep it in mind. Okay, so if I divide 1200 by 4, I'll get 300 as answer. That is, or you can take two halves. Half of 1200 is 600. That is nothing but 50%. And again, if I take half, I'll get 300. And what about 23%? It is around 276. I'll calculate for 20%. 10% I know it is 120. 20% is 240. So 240 plus 3% of 1200. I know that 1% is 12 and 3% is 12 into 3, 36. So 240 plus 36, 276 is your answer. Okay. And this graph denotes percentage of boys. Okay. See, keep it in mind that in finance, how many students enrolled? 180 students enrolled. Okay. In family business, how many students have enrolled? So let us see total. Okay. Let us take this as total. Okay. In family business, 144, and in marketing, 276, and in HR, 60, and in OM, 300, and in IT, 240. Okay. So percentage of boys. And let us calculate the number of boys enrolled and number of girls in that. Okay, see, first you just do the calculation whichever it is easy. See, here it is 50% of the boys. So what 144, half of 144 is 72. So 72 boys and 72 girls. And here you see 25%. I told you to take 25%. You have to divide a number by 4. If I take 60, half of 60 is 30, half of 30 is 15. And remaining 45 are girls. Right? And here it is 35. See, 10% is 240, 24. 30% is 24 into 3. 24 into 3 will get around 72, right? So 72 plus 5% of this. 72 plus 5% is 12, 84. So 240 minus 84. 240 minus 80. First do 240 minus 80. It is around 160. 160 minus 4. 156 is your answer. Okay. And here around 87%. So instead of calculating 87%, it is very tough. See, 87% are boys and the remaining 13% are girls, right? So it is easy to calculate 13% of 300. 10% is 30 and 1% is 3. Okay, 39. And remaining 300 minus 39. First do 300 minus 30, 270. 270 minus 9, 261. This is how you have to calculate. Okay, and similarly here also you can calculate for 75%. So you can do for 25% first. Okay, so what is 25%? You have to divide it by 4, or you can take half of 276 is 138, and again half of that is what? 69. Okay, so 276 minus 69, 207. And here 65%, 117, 63. Okay, this is how you have to do your calculation. So now I have made my calculation. Let us go to the questions now directly. So let me keep this table as well. See, once if you complete this within 2 to 3 minutes, it is very simple to answer the remaining 5 questions and you can score the 5 marks. Okay, now see here. Let us move to the first question. And see here, I have formed a table, right? One second, I'll complete the table. And first one is finance and family business. Let us take this family business. And this is for marketing. And this is for HR, OM, and IT. Okay, now see. Which discipline has highest enrollment of girls? See, if I check this, which discipline? IT has highest enrollment of girls. See, within a fraction of a second, you are able to answer right. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Now, the total number of girls from OM and HR are. So OM and HR, you just add both the word. OM and HR, you just add both the values. So 39 plus 45, 9 plus 5, 60, 14, right? So it is around 84 is your answer. Okay. See, only if the thing is you have to form the table. Once you form the table, it is very easy to answer the questions. And this is a tricky question. The number of girls from IT firms. So what are the number of girls from IT firms? 156. What percentage of boys from IT? What percentage of boys from IT? 84 into 100. See, I have to double this, right? Right? So now I need to do the calculation in a smart way. Okay, see, if the value is here 84, if the same value is there in the numerator, your percentage is 100. And what is 84 into 2 are 168. If 168 is there in the numerator, your percentage is 200. But it is less than 168, right? Okay, if you do the calculation, so definitely, then one value is around 160 percentage and another value is around 190 percentage. See, what is 190 percentage? I have to take 10 percentage of 84, 8.4. Okay, so what is 200? 84 into 2 is see 84. If I take 84 into 2, I'll get around 168. 168 minus 8, it is around 160. If 160 is there in the numerator, my answer will be 190. But here it is 176, which is very much lesser than, which is very lesser and nearer to 160. So the value which is lesser and nearer to 190 is nothing but 185. That is my answer. This is how you have to calculate. Okay, you cannot do the exact calculation in all the ways. Okay, you should be able to do the approximation calculation while doing your data interpretation part. For that, you have to be thorough with your basic concept, basic speed maths. Then what is the respective ratio of number of boys from marketing to those from finance? So boys from marketing 207 and from finance 117. So both the values are divisible by 9. Okay, because 2 plus 7, 9, 117, it is also 9. So I can say that is easily divisible by 9. So 23 is to 13 is my answer. Okay, now total number of boys from all disciplines constitutes what percentage of total students. You have to add the total number of boys in all the disciplines. See, 117 plus 72 plus 207 plus 2, you have to add all. First, add hundreds alone, and then add tens places, and then add units places. Definitely that will be easy. So if you add all the values, you'll get around 756. Divided by total number of students, 1200 into 100. So zeros and zeros will get cancelled. If I cancel 12 in terms of 12 table as well, I'll get 72 6 times, 36 3 times. So 63% is my answer. Okay. So hope you got some ideas. So be practice with your fast mathematical skills, that is your speed maths, to approach mathematical part as well as your data interpretation part. So wait for our next video. The same data interpretation, one of the toughest question which was asked in the December 2022 question paper, we are going to solve in our next video. Wait for our next video. In 1 or 2 days, we are going to upload. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also follow us. And before that, don't forget to register for our second national level mock test, which is going to be a tough mock test for the math aspirants. So you are going to feel the real math exam pattern before taking your Feb math examination. Don't forget to register for this national level mock test. Definitely, it will be a great experience for you all to register for this national level mock test. So either you can directly contact 8870046080 or you just click the link provided in the description box to enroll for the next second national level mock test. All the best, students.